All right, guys, real quick. I'm just doing this to get ahead of it. I sent my boy Sean Marco a barrel that I was just playing around with, completely unfinished. Whatever. He made a video of it. And it actually looks really cool on the piece he's got it on. But again, it was just something I sent to my friend. It was unfinished, whatever, and already saw somebody comparing it to somebody else's barrels. Big difference is number one, it was free. Number two, it looked unfinished because it was unfinished. So I just want to, and no, I'm not saying anything about the person that made the comment. I'm just clarifying that, yeah, that was an unfinished barrel. This is a finished one, and I'm not selling these. Don't ask me for or whatever. This is just something I'm playing with. I'm gonna do some cool builds, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that's a Grimberg. That's one that I did that I actually, tried. Actually took my time with.